How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently in just 1 minute. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here what you need to do is that you have to go to Instagram. Make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, after doing this you just need to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner here. Just tap on it. After tapping here, this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do is that you have to click on these 3 days on the top right corner, and then now you have to click on settings. After clicking to settings, here you can see one option, that is help option. Simply you need to click on it, and then here you have to click on help center. After clicking to help center, here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So here on the search bar, here you have to just search for delete. Okay, so here you can see on this option you have to click on delete account, and then here you can see the first option, delete your Instagram account. Just tap on it. After tapping here, you can see temporarily deactivate your account, but you want to delete your account permanently, isn't it? So to delete permanently, there is no option. So guys, what you need to do is that you have to click on this Android app help. Just tap here, and then here you can see this type of interface. Now you have to click on mobile browser help. Simply tap on it, and then it will redirect you on this page. Now you have to scroll down and click on this option. Here you can see instagram.com from a mobile browser. Simply click on it, and here you can see the option delete your account. Simply you need to click on it. After clicking on it, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see why do you want to delete this account. Just you need to tap on it, and then here you can just um, select any option. So I will just select something else, and then here you can see re-enter your password. So you have to enter your password, and here on the bottom you can see delete this particular account. You have to click here, and then you have to confirm it. Your account will be permanently deleted, but I'm not going to delete it. I'm just showing you the demo. Okay, so this is how you can delete your account permanently. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.